Hi there, it's Lisa with Juju Crafts. I got my new toy in, the FOILPRESS, a little while ago, and I'm just starting to play with it. And one of the things I found today, and I'm sure there might be other videos on it, but for me, it's brand new. So it's also brand new for me to try to film using a smartphone, so any mistakes and errors were chalking up to that. But I took some of my basic filigree that you can get from eBay or Alibaba, or that sometimes just comes in your embellishment packs. And I used the Gemini, I don't have my glasses on right, so it's called the multi-surface foil. So it's not just for paper, it's for leather and faux leather and any kind of material, and also apparently for metal, because I ran it through. These are sort of flat filigree. I wouldn't recommend anything thicker than that. It's almost like the thickness of paper. And using the multi-surface foil, look at these vibrant colors. How wonderful they turned out. The turquoise, the red. Keep in mind, this is what they started off as, this and this. And after foiling, they look like that. These were also this color. This is the rose gold and the berry. And this has a little bit of depth to it, not much, but just a little bit, especially on the raised edges. So I was surprised it only missed just a teeny tiny bit where I'd be putting a cabochon in anyway. And just how beautiful. This is the Aurora. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Look how beautiful. Anyway, so it'd be perfect for your holiday creations. And Munchie, get one. But anyway, to do it, you would just put in your platform, turn it up to high heat, and then once it has turned green, I'm just going to do it fast so you can see what it would look like. I'm not going to make you watch through the whole thing. But once it has turned green, you would run it through for about 45 seconds to 48. And then run it through your Gemini, and you have it done. So the sandwich is the same as if you were foiling your a die cut, like a paper die cut. You would lay down your foil. Try and do it with one hand, like I said. I don't have any place or way to rig up a cell phone. Do it with a color face down. Take your filigree, also put it face down. So this is the bad side. This is the side I want filigree, that I want the color on. Then I'm going to use a paper shim, and that will also catch all of your negative. So once you have got your negative, you will also end up with a little piece. So you could cut that out and use it if you like to. Put on a double shim of paper, since, like I said, treat it just like you would if it was a paper die cut, a cardstock die cut. I use this is my little 2-fold shim, so it's basically 2 pieces of paper. So now you have your foil, your filigree, your paper to catch the extra, 2 shims, then your magnet, then your carbon fiber, and you're going to wait for 48 to 50 seconds on high. Pretend it's all plugged in until it's all nice and hot, and it's on high. Run it through your Gemini, and when you do that, once you take it back apart, it's going to look sort of like this. So I ran one through for you so you can see what it looks like. Like, so I'm trying to hold this with one hand, so let's pull off the top, and then you have your beautiful foiled filigree piece. So let me put in some better light here for you. How beautiful. And you also have a fun little piece that you could also cut out and use in your background. And it's even sort of embossed with the textures of the filigree. So anyway, thought that was fun for me. Might be fun for you. Thanks for watching.